Hey, do you want to know how to create the perfect outdoor adventure map to have the most fun outdoors? Well, come with me and I'll set up and show you how you can plan out the best outdoor experience for you. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. First, go on your cell phone and look up places near you that you could visit. So identify possible places like national parks, beaches, anywhere with lots of nature, animals, and plants. So identify places, and if you want it to be really, really fun, identify 2 places and then 1 big final destination. After you've done that, plan it out on a map. Plan out each place you're going to visit on a map and mark first, second, or third, depending on where you're going to go first. After you've done those 2 first steps, prepare. Pack snacks, lots of water, and a camera, because you might want to take pictures. Also, if you are going on a very, very long hiking trip, I recommend lots of food and probably a picnic blanket. Next, double check that you have everything that you need and you didn't forget anything, because you do not want to forget anything. Also, side note, make sure you take lots of pictures so you remember this moment forever. And once you've done all those steps, go on your adventure and make sure to have fun, because that's what you guys are. Because that's why you are going on this adventure, to have fun. And those are the 6 steps you should take to have the most awesome outdoor adventure. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another good video. And I'll see you in the next one.